Can you give me tips on how networking can help with my job search?
Networking is key when it comes to job hunting because it can increase your chances of finding job opportunities that may not be advertised publicly. It also helps you build relationships with people in your field, allowing you to learn from their insights and potentially find a mentor or sponsor to help advance your career.
For example, let's say you are a recent graduate looking for a job in the tech industry. You attend a networking event and meet someone who works at a company that you're interested in. You strike up a conversation and express your interest in the company and the industry. The person you are speaking with is impressed with your enthusiasm and offers to introduce you to some of their colleagues at the company. This connection could lead to an interview or even a job offer that you might not have otherwise known about or been considered for.
In short, networking is an essential tool for job seekers that can help you uncover hidden job opportunities and build relationships that can benefit you throughout your career. Let's see how to network the right way. Networking through LinkedIn. LinkedIn is an amazing tool to help you find opportunities. In fact, did you know that 87% of recruiters and hiring managers use LinkedIn to find candidates just like you? That's why having a complete and active profile on LinkedIn can get you a lot of attention from recruiters who are looking for professionals to fill positions in their companies.
Not only that, but you can also connect with other professionals in your industry, attend industry events, join professional organizations, and reach out to people in your network to learn more about potential job opportunities. The more people you connect with, the more visibility you have on the network, and the more chances you have of being seen by recruiters.
Let me explain how LinkedIn connections work. Your first-degree connections are people you are directly connected with, while your second-degree connections are people who are connected to your first-degree connections, and so on. So, it's important to have a lot of connections on LinkedIn because it can help you expand your network and increase your visibility. The more connections you have, the more likely you are to find people who can help you with your career goals, whether it's through job opportunities, introductions to key contacts, or advice and mentorship.
So, don't be afraid to connect with others on LinkedIn and build your network. Who knows, your next job opportunity could be just a connection away.
If you come across someone in your network who works or has relationships at a company you're interested in, you can use LinkedIn to request an introduction. Here's an email template that you can use.
Hey Paula, I hope you're doing well. I noticed on LinkedIn that you know John Doe who works at Company ABC. I'm really interested in joining the team at Company ABC, and I was hoping you could introduce me to John Doe or someone in the company's recruiting department. I think Company ABC is doing some really cool work in the social media tech space, and I'd love to learn more about potential job opportunities. I feel like my skills and experience would be a good fit for the team, and I'm excited to explore the possibility of working with them. If you could introduce me to John, or someone else who could tell me more about job openings and the hiring process, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks so much for your time and help. Best regards. Katie Joshua.
Here's another approach you can take. Try connecting with someone who works in a position or department that you're interested in, even if you don't know them personally, and ask for their advice and recommendations. To get you started, here's a template you can use to reach out to them.
Hi Sarah. I came across your profile on LinkedIn and noticed that you work in the accounts team at Company XYZ. I'm really interested in pursuing a career in digital client services, and I thought it would be great to connect with someone who has experience in the industry. I was wondering if you might be willing to offer some advice and recommendations about breaking into the field. I'm particularly interested in learning more about the key accounts you work for. If you have a few minutes, I would love to chat with you about your experience at Company XYZ and in the industry as a whole. I'm also interested in any tips you might have for job hunting in this field. as well as any connections you might be able to recommend. Thank you for taking the time to read this message, and I look forward to hearing from you. Best regards, Katie Joshua.
Another great option is to use your personal connections. Don't underestimate the power of your friends, family, and former colleagues. Let them know that you are looking for a job in digital marketing, and ask if they know of any opportunities or can introduce you to someone in the industry.
And lastly, don't forget about job events and career fairs. They can be a great way to meet potential employers and get some face time with them. Make sure you check out our dedicated video on job events and career fairs for more information.
Remember, networking is essential when it comes to job hunting. So, use all the resources available to you. Be social on LinkedIn, and don't be afraid to ask for help from your personal connections. Good luck with your job search.